my name is Jonesy and my metric number is 25004746. And now I will explain if function. This is a logical function used to make decision. And this is the question. And the question says company policy requires a minimum of 15 units for each item. Which item need urgent reordering today? So now let's do the if function. This is the items and the quantity. First of all, we have to press equal if and bracket. Select this one, and the question say is minimum 15. So minimum 15 and comma, quotation mark, reorder, quotation mark, comma, and two quotation mark and close bracket. Enter. Then let us drag down. So we can see only 3 items need to reorder, which are notebook, blue pen, and black pen. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Chu Junwen, matrix number 25050210. Today I'm going to teach how to use text split to minimize the step from process data instead of just type in like this. So first of all, you can put an equal sign and text in text split and open bracket, select, comma, and one quotation mark, comma, and then close the quotation mark and close the bracket and press enter. So you can get the information separately instead of just type in, and select to all the space you want to add in. Okay, done. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Wu Yokshin. My matrix number is 24217876. Today I will be explaining the function called FV in Excel. The full form is future value. This is the scenario I will be given, and here is the information I will taken from the scenario. First is initial investment, which is 1 million. Annual interest rate is 12%. Years is 5 years. Monthly contribution is 10,000. How we calculate the future value? We click equal FV. First we choose annual rate and we divide 12. Second is we choose years, multiply 12. Third, we choose the monthly contribution. Fourth, we'll be choosing initial investment, and that's how we calculate the future value.
Hi, my name is Joanne Chu Waiting, matrix number 25005149. So right now I'll be presenting the IRR, which is the internal rate of return Excel function. So as we can see, we got 6 projects here. And this is the cash outflow. The rest is the cash inflow. So to calculate the IRR for the project 1, we press the column equal IRR, and we just highlight all of the cash flow under the project 1. We close the bracket, press enter, and we can get the IRR for the project 1. To calculate the rest of it, we just drag and apply to the rest of the project. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Ling Jing. My matrix number is 25004924. I will be explaining how to use the net present value function in Excel. The business case here is asking us to find the NPV of their project and to determine whether the company should proceed with the investment or not. Based on the data here, I've already tabulated it into the table here, and I've keyed in the discount rate at 10% over here. Now, to find the NPV, we just key in equals NPV bracket, then we click on 10%, comma, and we highlight from year 1 to year 3, and close bracket, and plus the negative 50,000 ringgit. So now we have already found our NPV, which is 5,146 ringgit and 51 cents. So we can conclude that the NPV of this project is positive and that the company should proceed with the investment. Thank you.
Good day, Sir Doctor. My name is Tan Yun Ju, matrix number 25005386. Today I'm going to explain a business scenario to calculate actual working days using Excel network days function. So let's move on. This is the employee attendance record and Malaysian public holiday for January. So for office staff, we will use equal network day function to calculate their working day because they only work on Monday to Friday, and this function assumes Saturday and Sunday are weekends. After select the function, we will click start days, comma, end days, comma, and highlight the public holidays. Enter, we will get the working hours, apply all to the office staff. On the other hand, for operation staff, we will use another function which is equal network day for INTL function, as their weekend fall on Wednesday and Thursday, and this function can customize weekend. After that, we will select the start date, comma, end date, comma, And we will select number 5, which is Wednesday and Thursday as their weekend, comma, and highlight the public holidays. Enter. Apply this to all the operation staff, and we will get their working days. So this function helps human resource to turn attendance data into accurate and actionable business insight. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Dajun and my matching number is 25006090. In this video, I will show you how to use the PMT function or payment function in Microsoft Excel to calculate the money payment for loan. So here we have a spreadsheet with a list of different rates and different length of loan that may be seeking and also total loan amounts. And here is the situation. We can calculate this by using the Excel PMT function. Now on this cell E3, we type an equal and PMT. First, it's looking for the rate. In this case, it's here in the column B. So I will click B3 and then we divided it by 12. This is because this interest rate is going to be paid over a year with 12 monthly payment. Next, Excel is expecting a number of NPER, which is the number of periods. In this case, it's talking about years, so it's 25. And I will click on here the cell C3. But because of those 25 years will have 12 payments, we are going to multiply C3 by 12. And finally, the last step, the present value. In this case, 450,000 ringgit Malaysia. So I will click on that. And the two arguments we don't need right now. So let's close the parentheses. And I have calculated the money payment for this loan amount for this many years and at this interest rate. Here the negative sign just means money is going out of your account like a money loan payment. Now I could repeat those steps again for each of these potential loans. I can just click on cell E3 and then double click on that little green square in the lower right corner of the cell, and it automatically applies in the same formula and all the way down the dust range of data. So that's easily we can calculate the monthly payments for this loan. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial to be helpful.